Introduction. India is a melting pot of various cultures and traditions. We have a rich and varied cultural heritage. People belonging to different religions and castes live together peacefully and respect each other's customs and traditions. Languages. From the 1,635 languages spoken across the country, our Constitution recognizes only about 22 as official languages. Hindi in Devanagari script is recognized as the official language of India by the Indian Constitution. Assamese, Bengali, Bangla, Bodo, Dogri, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Maithili, Malayalam, Manipuri, also Meitei or Meithei, Marathi, Nepali, Uriya, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Santali, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu, and Urdu. Religions. India is home to different religions. Hinduism, Buddhism, Sikhism, and Jainism originated in India, while Islam, Christianity, Zoroastrianism, and Judaism came to India several centuries later. Festivals. Festivals are occasions for people to come together and celebrate life. India has many cultural festivals celebrated by one and all, and with equal pomp, enthusiasm, and brotherhood. Major cultural festivals of India. Harvest festivals express gratitude to Mother Earth. Some harvest festivals are Holi, Baisakhi in northern parts of India, Onam in Kerala, Pongal in Tamil Nadu, Bhogali Bihu in Assam, Sankranti in Gujarat, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, and Uttar Pradesh, and Gudi Padwa in Maharashtra. Dussehra or Vijay Dashami is an important Hindu festival and marks the victory of good over evil. Diwali, also known as Deepavali, is a Hindu festival celebrated to mark the return of Lord Ram to Ayodhya after defeating Ravan. This festival also celebrates the triumph of good over evil. Christians celebrate Christmas, the birthday of Lord Jesus, on 25th December every year. People decorate their homes with colorful festoons and bright star-shaped lanterns. They also prepare the traditional Christmas cake and invite friends to their homes. Easter, it is believed that Christ rose from the dead on this day. People also gift decorative Easter eggs made out of flour and sugar, which signify new life and a new beginning. Muslims celebrate Eid al-Fitr, which marks the end of the holy month of Ramadan, during which they observe fast. Holi is the festival of colors, when people throw colored water on one another and smear each other's face with colored powder or gulal. This festival celebrates not just the different colors of life, but also that we are all the same. Festivals like Guru Nanak Jayanti, Buddha Purnima, Mahavir Jayanti are also widely celebrated in our country. Nowruz or Parsi New Year is celebrated by Parsis. They visit the fire temple or Agyari to offer prayers to Lord Zarathustra. National festivals. Important events of national importance, such as the Republic Day on 26th January, Independence Day on 15th August, and Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October are regarded as national festivals. Republic Day. On 26th January 1950, India was declared a republic. This day is the year's first national festival. The armed forces exhibit a grand parade in New Delhi at Rajpath. Additionally, there are colorful tableaus from different states. On this day, the President of India honors children who have displayed courage and bravery by presenting medals to them. Independence Day. We celebrate 15th August every year as India's Independence Day. The day is marked by hoisting of the Indian flag at Lahore Gate of the Red Fort in Delhi, followed by the Prime Minister's address to the nation. Gandhi Jayanti. 2nd October is the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, also called Bapu. It is a national holiday and is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. He believed that an eye for an eye makes everybody blind, thus advocated the path of non-violence. On Gandhi Jayanti, common people and eminent leaders pay homage at Rajghat in New Delhi. This day is also celebrated as International Day of Non-Violence.